How to use the switch. There are 7 buttons on the dashboard, each with its own function. Long press the power or M button to turn the scooter on or off. A single click switches the display information. The gear up button increases the current gear and speed. Long press the gear up button plus to switch between single and dual motor drive modes. The gear down button lowers the gear and reduces speed. The left TORS signal button activates the left indicator. The right TUM signal button activates the right indicator. The headlight button turns the lights on or off. The horn button triggers an alert sound. We provide a fully labeled diagram to help you understand each part of the display screen. Double-click the power or M button to enter the settings menu. In the settings menu, use the gear up-down buttons to scroll through options. Short press the power or M button to confirm your selection, then use the gear up-down buttons to make adjustments. Short press the power or M button again to confirm the changes, and double press the power or M button to return to the main interface. We've organized all setting options into a reference diagram, making it easy for you to customize your scooter preferences. Thank you for your support of Tevarin.